1 week into their new job, Rishita and Iqbal are sharing the same cubicle. A while later, project manager Jaspreet approaches both.
I need one assistant in an ongoing project to work with me. Who among you will be able to assist me?
Jaspreet hands over the details to both. Rishita and Iqbal take a look at the project details.
Sir, I will need time to acquaint myself with the details of this project.
I will be able to assist you right away, sir. During my college, I have had the chance to work on a similar project.
That's great, Rishita. I will see you tomorrow at my desk.
Rishita, how were you able to work on a similar project during your college?
Well, our college had partnered with byteXL where, along with academics, we were provided with hands-on experiential learning in technical areas so that we are job ready from day one.